A student once asked a master for enlightenment. The master replied, "Go and find the sound of one hand clapping." The student was confused, but he tried. He returned with answers. "The sound of wind." "No," said the master. "The sound of rain." "No." "The sound of thunder." "No." Days passed, weeks passed. The student searched everywhere, but every answer came from thinking, not understanding. One day he returned and said nothing. He simply bowed. The master smiled. Zen teaches this: some truths cannot be explained with words. When the mind becomes quiet, understanding appears.